This is what happens when the container doesn't have good drainage. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Okay, so this is the situation I have here. So this container has holes. It has holes at the bottom, and for some reason something blocked it, so it's not draining as much as the other ones. So we had rainfall last night, and you can see even though it's draining, it's gone down from where it was before. You can see this one is completely drained, and these other ones are completely drained right here, but this one still has some water standing there. It's draining, but it's not draining as fast as it should. So, and that's why you see the leaves are turning yellow and falling off like this. So whenever you grow in containers, just make sure that you have enough holes. You might have enough holes, you might have something blocking it, so just make sure you keep an eye out for containers like these that are not draining as fast. If they're not draining that fast, they're gonna hurt your plants. The roots might rot, might have other issues. It might suffocate the plants because the plants are not getting enough oxygen or enough space for the roots to absorb all the nutrients that they need. So you just want to make sure that if you find situations like this, you want to fix it right away. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna check the holes, and then what I'm probably gonna do is just add a couple more holes just in case we have a lot of rainfall again. We're not gonna have this same situation. I'm just gonna add a couple more holes. These plants are gonna be fine as long as we as long as I make the holes and it drains out. The plants are gonna be fine, but that's something that I need to keep an eye out for, especially if you have different things. You have leaves and other stuff blocking the drainage on the side or inside. So just make sure that you keep an eye out for that. If you grow in containers, you want to make sure that whenever you have a lot of water, whether you're watering it or it's rainfall, you want to make sure it drains out completely, so that way it can continue to get nutrients and stuff from the ground, like this one over here. So these, I'm just gonna drain it out, and we'll see how it goes. It should be fine in a couple of weeks. So this is it after the water drains out. After the water drains out, you have it's dry now, but it's not it doesn't help the plant when there's a lot of water log on the root system and it dries out like this. It takes a while for it to get back to normal, so your plants are not gonna do very well if you don't have good drainage. So make sure that if you grow in containers, make sure you have good drainage. You might have enough holes, but the holes might be blocked with something that the water doesn't flow out as easy as it should. So just make sure you keep an eye out for something like that, and this plant should be back to normal. I'm just gonna add a few more holes to the bottom, and plant should be fine in a couple of weeks. So I know it's not gonna be as good as the other ones that I planted them the same, but they're gonna be fine as long as I realized it and I fixed it right now. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.